Hi guys, we have hit 200 subscribers, so thank you very much. I definitely appreciate all the subscribers. So we're gonna be doing giveaways 300 for 500 subscribers. The way to enter those is every video that comes out, make sure you're subscribed, make sure to like and comment in the post. When we hit 300, we're gonna go all the way back to this video right here to figure out what video we're gonna randomly pick, and then we're gonna pick a subscriber out of that. So make sure you like and comment on every video. We also have a 500 subscriber giveaway going on my Facebook. So the link down in the descriptions, go to it, it'll bring you to my Facebook post. Make a comment if you're a subscriber, say subscriber done, whatever the heck you want to. Make sure to like the page because you have to do both of them, then you're automatically entered into that one. Some random things that we have coming up for videos is we have finally got everything for the X1 Reaper powder coating machine. So we'll be putting that together tonight. We're gonna do a 2-part series with that. The first one is gonna be the assembly, so it should be a pretty quick video. And the second part will be setting it up, how to set it up, what the controllers are, and all that. You remember that we just did an unboxing for a pop blaster, 40-pound Eastwood pop blaster. Well, we sent that back. We didn't think it was going to be big enough, so we got a 200-pound pop blaster. When it comes back, we are going to show people out there how to do the basic upgrade kit with the fittings, because we're always asked about that. So after I show that, then I'm gonna do a video of what we're actually gonna put it on. We have a mirror blaster system here. We're actually gonna use that. Before we go any farther, let's get this done. Okay, coming up, we have some antique chairs here. We're just waiting for the customer to figure out what color gold she wants. So as soon as she figures that out, we'll take care of that. Before we go any further, let's do the drawing. Congratulations, Cynthia. You are our first 100 subscriber giveaway contestant, subscriber, however you want to say it, with more to come. So at this point, we do have content coming up shortly here. I do want to apologize. We've had a lot of work come through and I haven't recorded. I remember about halfway through, hey, I should have done this, I should have done that, and I don't want to put out half recorded content. We're also gonna start talking a little more, like I mentioned in the previous video, just because we don't mention some of the littler steps, and we're starting to get a lot of questions on those. A lot of you guys are IMing me and stuff. So I'm gonna start putting them into the video just to help people that are kind of newer to this, to the powder coating. Besides that, I just want to say I appreciate the 200 subscribers. We're going to keep doing contests like this. Christmas time, we're going to have a giveaway. It's going to be a good one, but I'm not going to say anything. All I'm going to say is we're going to pick the winner by a certain video and a comment in the video. It will be random, but again, who knows what video or anything. So that one will just be out of the blue, just for like a little Christmas, New Year's thing. So look forward to that. So again, thank you for helping me get at 200. Hopefully you guys can help me get to 3, 4, 5. And I will be putting something out here in the next day or two. Okay, thanks guys. All you have to do is like, and all the is to like and subscribe the videos that. Hey guys, we're back. 200 giveaways. Hi guys, thank you for helping us hit the 200 subscriber videos. So we'll also be doing a video on putting a We'll also be doing a video of putting a HK. We got rid of the small pot blaster, the 100-pound pot blaster, and we're gonna get a big freaking pot. Go to Facebook. All you have to do is like the post and like the page, and then in setting whatever. We've been having a lot of work to do, so we haven't had a chance to record. So I definitely, so I'm definitely sorry. Yeah, whatever. Congratulations to Cynthia for winning the draw person out of that one. So make sure you like, subscribe, and you like. So at this point, congratulations, Cynthia. You are our first 100. You guys are the greatest.